Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you changing personal information on ESPN bit tips for smooth update. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Updating your personal information on ESPN bit is essential to ensure your account details are accurate and up to date. So here are some tips. Number one is to log into your ESPN bit account. So simply head over to your ESPN bit app and then open it, and be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to your profile or account settings section that is located at the top right corner of the screen. Now once you're inside there, look for an option that says personal information, account info or similar. Number third is to identify the information to update. ESPN bit allows you to update specific details including name, email address, phone number, address or payment information. And number fourth is to edit your personal information. Click on the field you want to update, enter the new information accurately and then save changes. Lastly, verify changes. ESPN bit may require verification to certain updates such as email address, phone number or addresses. Check compliance with ESPN bit policies as well. Some updates, example legal name changes, may require additional documentation. Reach out to ESPN bit support with proof of identity or other required documents. Keeping your login credentials secure and review and confirm updates. Monitor your account for accuracy, and then by following these tips you can ensure a smooth and secure update of your personal information on ESPN bit. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.